We gotta kill him. You a-hole. Playing baseball.
Okay, he's dead. Everybody watching this video, watch the owl.
He's crapping on our heads.
Oh.
Now here's your battle time.
Give me home this so it's pointing at the screen.
Who has lots?
Get closer. Okay, stop there and follow us for the.
Made a ninja move.
Suck on this! Waha!
You always seem to get that. I just smashed my own owl.
Get the treasure chest, Ashton.
Don't say our names.
Yeah, shut up!
Beepers. All you pervs watching this video, you did not just hear our names.
And you fail at doing this.
You don't fail. What are you talking about?
Like,
It's our 4th time doing this.
Alright, we need to get past and get to the deer.
Deer? Oh.
Deer!
We
failing.
have to get past and get to
What
the
the?
ninja moves.
Gibson, make sure it's pointed at the screen so it's not like.
So they can't see our
like
faces.
yeah, I know.
'Cause there are a lot of birds out there, Gibby. We don't want them to know us. We do not live in Oxford Hills. I'm dead, by the way.
What the hell? Okay, Gibby, move 3. Okay,
Press.
move this. Look at
Teabag
me.
me,
No,
teabag
don't
me.
touch anything.
Teabag me. What was that?
I have no idea.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, we died.
See, we always
Alright.
get to that part. Died.
Alright, that was our video.